Hi everyone, this is a quick video to demonstrate two Vinyasa flow options. If you don't have a chaturanga in your practice, or maybe you have an injury, here's some easy ways you can stay on pace with the rest of the class and protect your body. This first option is very similar to a regular flow, but I'm just placing my knees down and then lowering myself down. I prefer this to knees, chest, chin, as I find that a bit awkward. This second modified flow option transitions through a tabletop and adds a cat, cow, and a child's pose so that you can still stay on pace with the flow of the rest of the class. Make sure you check the description box for more useful resources for injury prevention and yoga.